In this video, I'm going to do a quick review about Vidnoz AI. So Vidnoz AI is an online AI video creation platform that uses AI to generate videos from text, images, templates, and avatars without needing cameras or traditional filming tools. It's designed to simplify video creation for marketing, education, social media, and business content. So you can just head to Vidnoz AI. You can just type that as an example in Google, and you'll find yourself with the first link. You can click on it and go and create your account. Once you do so, you'll find yourself an example here, and of course, you'll be on the free plan. You'll be able to upgrade if you want to, because the free plan has 8 credits daily, which means only 15 seconds of whatever you're trying to create. And of course, the maximum will be just 3 minutes per video. You'll not have all access to all avatars, video templates, voices, and etc. You'll be able to get a better plan. Of course, if you need more credits here, that means you'll have to pay more. So it depending on your usage. Of course, this is, by the way, the price yearly. If you choose monthly, it will be a little bit more expensive. So now you'll find yourself right here, where you'll be able to start creating your stuff. You can, as example, start by creating it or picking a template or creating from scratch. You can add as example a script or text, and you'll be able to choose avatars and voice options. You'll be able to edit visuals, theme in, add a lot of other things like editing basically, and you'll be able to generate the output video. Vidnoz combines avatars, AI voices, and templates to automate much of the video work. As an example here in my creations, I'm just going to create a folder. I'm going to name test right here, and here we are. You can go and access this folder. As you can see, since I don't have anything right now, I'm just going to click on create a video at the top right corner. Once I do so, you can go and choose, is it landscape, portrait, Instagram? Do you want, of course, to create like this video, or AI wizard or video wizard, which is generates videos using a single prompt, or maybe imports some PowerPoint or PDF, and it will create a video using that. So for me, I'm just going to create some, okay, let me create portrait video. And from here, as you can see, you'll be able to create or enter your speech, and you'll be able to choose your, let me just skip those. So you'll be able to change your avatar as an example. So let me here look for a male, and okay, I'm just going to choose this guy. So if you click on it, you'll be able to hear also the voice of that person. And of course, if you find pro on something, that means you'll not be able to use it unless you pay for a plan. You'll have to keep that in mind. So you can filter here, first of all, by gender, emotion, scenarios, and even more here. As you can see, you will find supplier, professional, age, a lot of other stuff. Here you'll find, of course, languages. You have a lot of languages to choose from, and you can click on OK as an example. For options, here you'll find basically the speed, the pitch, the volume. And for me, let me just go first of all and delete this because that's not what I want. And here, of course, you'll be able to enable subtitles to be added to the video. Here also, you'll be able to see how much the duration of that video will be depending on the text that you entered right here. Here at the top, you'll be able to change it. Background, templates, if you have any template to choose from. You'll be able to choose layers and add any transitions if you want to. So yeah, you can start as example, as I said, by adding a script. So hello as example, how are you doing? And then this is an example, the first scene. You can add another scene as example. So like maybe today you're gonna see something. So it's totally up to you to choose like the scripts that you want to do. For me, I'm just going to type, so today this is gonna be as an example, a nice day. So, and finally, I'm just going to add the last scene, blank scene. So I hope you are good. I don't know, something like that. So now for each scene, of course, the settings can be different from a scene to scene. You'll have to keep that in mind. So if you want, you can also change the size now from portrait to landscape whenever you want. If you didn't want to support portrait anymore, you can choose an example Instagram for Instagram exactly. And yeah, you can start an example by choosing those things. So you can change here as example I'm going to choose the same guy. And here I'm going to choose the same guy. So here's some options if you want to change it. For conversations, as you can see, you'll be able to choose two-person conversation with each other. Here you'll be able to upload a voice if you want. You can even record your own voice and they will say the same thing. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to see with no speech. So yeah, here's an example. I'm just going to the first scene. I'm going to add the same background for all of them. So I don't want just a normal background like this background, using it for all of those. And yeah, that's good. So other than that, of course, something I didn't mention, here at the bottom, you'll find some poses, punctuations, hit control, AI scripts if you want to create a script using AI as example. Just talk to them as example, what do you want it to be created? Do you want it to be formal, friendly, and in which language? And finally, you have here AI translator if you want this in multiple languages. You'll be able to do that as well. So now to add the avatar, you can go here and I'm going to look for the same guy that we just like choose here the voice of. So basically I'm looking for a male. So I would like it to be that guy, but if I can't, I'm just going to do someone random. So you can then click as example here and you'll be able to see how it's going to say it and stuff like that. It might take some time. Basically, you'll be able to add text, shapes, background, stickers, a lot of things. So if you're done, or if you're sure you want that exactly, so let me just try to add the same avatar on all of them. You can just go here and click on generate at the top. Of course, you'll be able to preview and see how does it look like. It will take some time to preview it first. So here, as you can see, of course, he's not moving yet, so I guess because it's just the preview. But of course, yeah, that's what this website is about. Of course, if you click on the three dots on generates, you'll find how many credits will be used. As you can see, you can wait a little bit to calculate the full time. So it's going to be taken 2 credits as an example. So you'll have to keep that in mind, especially if you're using the free version. And then you can, as example, go and hit generate if you want to like actually generate it. So yeah, that's basically about this website. The pros of it, as you can see, it has like fast video generation. It has like a large avatar and template library, multi-language like voices and text support, and also beginner friendly. But the real cons of this website is basically the credit limits and quota structure. Free outputs are limited and paid plans restrict total video limits. It has less creative control than pro editors, and it has templates reliance, and basically it has some AI artifacts. So occasionally avatars or lip sync won't look perfect, especially in fast, energetic content. Like common limitations, not specific basically to Windows, but typically in AI video tools, ATM. It's not the greatest at the moment, but it still be useful, especially if you're just trying to have fun. I wouldn't say it's very useful for businesses right now, or even for social media. It looks AI-ish more, and you can notice that very easily. But, so as you can see the video just being created, once I just refresh, you can see like the video. As you can see, it's looking like AI. You can definitely say it's AI. So yeah, I covered how to create basically a video. It has a lot of other stuff like voice cloning. As you can see from here, if you want to clone your voice, some AI tools here that you'll be able to see. Some AI video translator. They have a lot of things that you can go through. You can take your time going through this and experience it as you go. Credits will refresh every single day, so if you're out of credits, just wait for another day and your new credits will come to your account. So I guess that's gonna be for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.